You've seen the lists. Multiple ways to make passive income in 2026. Most of it is a lie designed to steal your attention. In reality, true passive income isn't a hustle, it's a math problem. Most people trade time for money. Some trade money for time. But the elite understand compounding, what Albert Einstein called the eighth wonder of the world. Compounding is the result of a small advantage used repeatedly over time. It's not about the big win in 2026, it's about the 1% improvement that becomes a 10,000% return 10 years from now. The reason you aren't wealthy yet isn't a lack of ideas, it's a lack of patience. If you interrupt the compounding process to chase the next big thing, you reset your progress to zero. Stop looking for the new passive income. Master the old math. The curve only works if you stay on it. This is compounding. One model down, 51 to go. Subscribe to build your strategic library.